Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing some zipper cream peas that I bought from the farmer's market. Y'all saw in the previous video. Sometimes I do it with salt joe, sometimes I do it with bacon. But today I'm doing it with some nice smoked ham hocks. Nothing like ham hocks and peas to me. My mama used to make it with all kinds of whatever we had. Sometimes she'd make it with chicken, whatever kind of meat we had. But today I found some nice thick, meaty ham hocks I had in the freezer, so that's what I'm gonna use. The first thing I need to do is get my ham hocks prepped. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put onions in here, and my ham hocks. These gotta simmer about almost 3 hours, very slow. I can put it in my Instant Pot if I wanted to, and do it fast, but everybody don't have Instant Pots or pressure cookers. So I'm gonna do it in my regular pot here on the stove. I'm not gonna season it with salt and pepper yet or nothing, because sometimes these ham hocks are very salty. So I gotta kind of check my seasoning after I get them cooked. If I need to add more salt, I just leave it like it is. So anyway, we're gonna let these simmer. I'm gonna cover these ham hocks up completely. But these gotta simmer very low for about 3 hours. Sometimes 2 hours, depending how thick they are, hard they are. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, cover this up, let it simmer about 2 or 3 hours, and we'll be back. I'm gonna get these opened up, let them air out here, put them in the bowl here, and I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator. I ain't gonna let them sit out. I'm gonna go through them, make sure they're very clean and no stems, anything in them. But they don't take long to cook. That's why I'm not gonna cook them right now in the ham hock. I'm gonna add these last minute. So anyway, we'll be right back after this. These are tender. I'm gonna take them out, put the peas in there, pick the meat off the ham hock, put them back in, and we're gonna have a big old bowl of cream peas with some chow chow in it. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay. We got our, been simmering these ham hocks here for about matter of fact, these took like 3 hours. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them out. See how tender they are? Falling apart, look at that. Falling apart tender. So I'm gonna set them to the side and let them cool, and I'm gonna pick the meat off of them and put it back in these peas later. Now I got my good, and this is good flavorful stock now. I call it stock for for my peas. So I clean and wash my peas off. Make sure you always wash them. And I'm gonna just pour them right here in this water. I'm gonna let these simmer. Now all peas are different. These might take 45 minutes. Or it might take an hour. So I'm gonna just let them simmer real slow. While they're simmering, I'm gonna let this cool about 30 minutes. I'm gonna pick the meat off of this, add it back into this. Also, after they cook in a while, I'm gonna check my seasoning. Remember I told you these ham hocks sometimes have a lot of salt in them, so I don't want to add a lot more salt before I check the seasoning. So we're gonna let these simmer. Remember I got onions in here already. We're gonna let them simmer here, and we'll be back when they're almost ready. So we'll be back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, I picked the meat off the bone of the ham hock, and what I did, I put that bone back into this peas. It's something my mama used to do, because you got a lot of cartilage on there that I want to boil off into it, and a lot of flavor still on that bone. So I'm gonna boil that bone in there with the peas until the excuse me, until the peas are completely done. So anyway, we're gonna let these simmer. Probably got another 45 minutes to go on them, and we'll be back. So yeah, I'm simmering that bone in there with it. Like I say, got that ham hock bone in there, and that's gonna give it more flavor to these peas. See that? All that little cartilage and stuff on there that's gonna come out in them peas. Hey, that's flavor. So anyway, I'm just letting it simmer on low here for about 45 minutes until the peas are completely done. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Think the peas are ready here. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. And see that bone in there, put in there. I'm gonna take the bone out. That bone is completely clean of the meat now. This is falling more apart. All that cartilage and stuff on there, that's what I wanted to get off that bone. That's why I cooked that bone in that peas. All that good meat off there, that good cartilage. Take the other bone off of there. See that? See all that meat come off that bone, all that cartilage. Trying to get the peas off there. I don't want to waste no peas. Oh yeah. That bone breaking apart. See all that meat in there? That's why I cooked the bone in there after I took the meat off. All right, now we got our meat that we picked off the bone. Put that back in them peas. Look at that. Might be a little bit more meat, too much meat for you, cause my mama say, baby, I like meat. I like peas less than the meat. So you can put less meat, but I like a lot of meat in my peas. My mama don't. She like more beans. Even if she's doing beans, she like more peas than meat. But anyway, got that simmering. I'm gonna let that simmer about 2 more minutes together with the meat, and we'll be back and we're gonna plate this up. I got some baked chicken here and some cornbread, and we're gonna have a good time here. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, we're gonna plate this up, this meal up here. I got my cornbread. I got me some lemon pound cake. Y'all saw the video on that. That's gonna be my dessert tonight. So what I'm gonna do, I got me some baked chicken too. Gotta have you some baked chicken on there, y'all. Hold on here just a second. I know y'all seen my video on my baked chicken before. Got some good old baked chicken here. Put my peas on here. Turn them off. There we go. Can't go wrong here. Gotta have a little pot lick on there. Y'all don't know about that pot liquor. Y'all don't know what you're missing. A little pot lick on there. What she talking about here, y'all? Get this up out the way. I got me some chow here. Y'all ain't see my everything I got here. I got a recipe on, y'all. Got my little old school chow going there. Got my crystal hot sauce for my chicken. Shoot, I gotta have my cornbread. Got me a piece of cornbread here. Shoot. What I'm talking about right here. Look, I'm gonna be right back. Y'all know I gotta do my thumbnail for my video here, and I'll be right back here in just 1 second. Y'all sit tight. Alright, y'all, we back here. Go ahead and do my little thumbnail there. Let's try these peas here. I know they're good. I'm gonna try them. Wow. Nice and tender. Ham hock is tender. Cornbread, no, it's good. Look at that. Baked chicken. Baked chicken and peas, y'all. Hey. Don't get no better than this. It's old school right here, baby. Old school. Forgot I'm doing a video here. I'm all into my food right now. See, what I do is not fake. When my food is good, I get caught up in the moment and forget where I am. Food be that good. So y'all have to sometimes look over me. All these recipes on my YouTube channel. My old school chow, I got a video for that. Old school lemon cake. Old school cornbread. Old school baked chicken. Of course, the one right now, the star of the show, old school cream peas. So, anyway, give me a thumbs up video. Please subscribe. Please comment. I read all comments. I love the comments. Visit my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Twitch TV, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. I'm going to eat. See y'all later.